Let's dive into one of the most astonishing stories in the world of cryptocurrency right now. Ripple. Ripple has been one of the top-performing crypto assets this year. It recently secured a landmark victory against Gary Gensler's multi-year SEC lawsuit, introduced a new stablecoin, influenced U.S. politics with multi-million-dollar donations, and launched new investment products. If you're an XRP holder, there's reason to be excited. With you, Nick, and we start. For those unfamiliar with Ripple, here's a quick overview. Ripple is a technology company aiming to solve major issues with cross-border payments. Traditional banking systems rely on a web of banks, leading to high fees and slow processing times for international transactions. In 2012, Ripple introduced its RippleNet network to streamline these processes. RippleNet allows financial institutions to settle payments almost instantly with minimal fees, using XRP as its native cryptocurrency. To avoid confusion, here's a simple breakdown of the three key components. Ripple, the company behind the technology. RippleNet, the payment network that facilitates fast, low-cost transactions. XRP, the digital asset used to provide liquidity and settle payments within the network. Since its inception, RippleNet has processed billions of transactions. For example, the narrator of this story purchased $800 worth of XRP back in 2017 and held onto it for years. While its value remained flat for a while, recent developments have led some to believe its price could rise significantly in the future. One of the most critical catalysts for Ripple's growth was its recent legal victory. Earlier this year, a judge ruled that XRP's sales to regular retail investors did not classify as securities transactions. This ruling provided much-needed regulatory clarity, allowing Ripple to proceed with its ambitious plans. One of Ripple's latest initiatives is the launch of RLUSD, a new stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, which launched on December 4, 2024. Unlike other stablecoins that have faced criticism from regulators, RLUSD aims to be one of the most compliant on the market. Ripple has worked with the New York Department of Financial Services to ensure it meets the highest regulatory standards. This strategic move could make RLUSD a preferred option for banks and institutions seeking a stablecoin without regulatory headaches. Given the choice between a regulated or unregulated stablecoin, most banks would opt for the former. Ripple's strategy doesn't stop there. The company has also been active in U.S. politics, making substantial donations to influence pro-crypto policies. Ripple has contributed $75 million over 2 years to a pro-crypto political action committee called Fair Shake. The PAC's mission is to support candidates who advocate for crypto-friendly laws. This level of political engagement strengthens Ripple's position as a key player in shaping the regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies. Another major development is Ripple's involvement in exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. ETFs allow people to invest in assets like stocks or commodities without directly owning them. Earlier this year, Bitcoin's price surged after spot Bitcoin ETFs were approved. Ripple aims to replicate this success with XRP ETFs. Companies like WisdomTree, Bitwise, 21 Shares, and Canary Capital have all filed applications with the SEC for XRP ETFs. If BlackRock, one of the largest asset managers in the world, joins the push for an XRP ETF, approval could be inevitable. If XRP ETFs are approved, it would give traditional investors an easy way to invest in XRP through brokerage apps, just like with Bitcoin ETFs. This could increase demand and drive up XRP's price, just as it did for Bitcoin earlier this year. Beyond these developments, there are other factors that could increase XRP's value. Here's a closer look at 4 key drivers. Compliance with global financial standards. XRP is one of the few cryptocurrencies that comply with ISO 20022, a messaging standard used by banks to facilitate cross-border payments. By 2025, banks around the world will be required to adopt ISO 20022. Ripple's compliance makes it an attractive option for banks looking to modernize their systems. On-demand liquidity, or ODL. Banks traditionally pre-fund accounts in multiple currencies around the world, which ties up billions of dollars. XRP's ODL eliminates the need for pre-funded accounts, allowing banks to use XRP as a bridge currency to facilitate international payments. This increases the utility of XRP and could boost demand as more banks adopt the system. Market scarcity. XRP's total supply is capped at 100 billion tokens, with Ripple holding a large portion in escrow. This limited supply model, combined with increased demand, could drive up the price of XRP, real-world utility. Unlike many cryptocurrencies that rely on hype and speculation, XRP has real-world use cases. Ripple has partnered with financial institutions, banks, and remittance companies to integrate XRP into their payment systems. This focus on real-world utility could lead to sustainable demand and value growth. Ripple's broader ecosystem also includes its stablecoin RLUSD, which works in tandem with XRP. By building a comprehensive financial system with stablecoins, bridge assets, and payment solutions, Ripple positions itself as a critical player in global finance. There's also a theory floating around about XRP's potential role in the future of money. Some believe that XRP could function similarly to foundational technologies like HTTP for websites or SMTP for emails, protocols we use every day without even thinking about them. If Ripple's network becomes a core component of the global financial system, owning XRP might be akin to owning a stake in the infrastructure of future payments. Despite the optimism, it's important to acknowledge the risks. Nobody can predict with certainty how this will play out. The financial world is full of competing systems, from BricsPay to FedNow, and it's unclear which one will dominate. But one thing is certain, the current system is slow, expensive, and in need of an upgrade. Whether XRP will be part of the solution remains to be seen. For now, the narrator is satisfied with their 2017 investment in XRP and is open to buying more in the future if new information supports it. As always, investors are encouraged to do their own research before making any financial decisions. Thank you all for your time today. I hope the information I said today is useful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.